I don't get to eat fancy breakfasts anymore. So today I really wanted some pancakes and I wanted home fries and I wanted coffee, but I don't drink coffee. So I made the next best thing. I have a little rooibos latte here, and because it takes a little while to make pancakes and home fries, I also made myself a smoothie before I got started. So I'm gonna show you how I made all of these things today, and hopefully you will make these amazing recipes as well. They're all gonna be linked down below or just written out down below. This video is sponsored by Califia Farms. They have a new delicious creamy oat milk creamer. So I'm gonna be using this in my rooibos tea, and I'm also gonna be using it in the banana pancakes. Okay, they are so good. So let's just get to it. I already ate like half the plate, but let me take you back to how I made this masterpiece. I made myself a smoothie to hold me over while I feed baby Jay and cook. Whole oranges, banana, frozen blueberries, kale, and ground flaxseed. After a couple years of not drinking green smoothies, I'm actually into them again. I also feed this smoothie to baby Jay. Now we're gonna get started with our home fries using sweet potatoes and white potatoes. You can use only white potatoes if that's all you have, or you can use only sweet potatoes if that's all you have. You know, times are hard, so use what you've got. Chop all your potatoes into cubes. My Nana always thinly slices her potatoes, which make the best home fries. But I'm too lazy for that, so cubes will do. Dice an onion, a few cloves of garlic, and bell pepper. Warm some olive oil in a skillet and then add the onions, garlic, and pepper to saute. Once tender, add the potatoes and sea salt. Stir well. Reduce the heat to low and cover. I'm also going to add vegan sausage to the potatoes. Chop them up while the potatoes are cooking. Once the potatoes are tender, about 20 to 30 minutes later, make a space in the middle of the skillet and cook the sausage. Once it browns on both sides, add fennel seeds, smoked paprika, and black pepper. Stir it all together and serve. Now let's make those banana pancakes. They are rich, perfectly sweet. They crisp up around the edges. They are just perfect. First, let's toast some walnuts. I'm gonna top the pancakes with these. Okay, now we'll start by making a flaxseed egg. 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 2 tablespoons water. Stir it together and let it thicken. For our dry ingredients, combine white flour, whole wheat flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mash ripe banana until it's liquidy and smooth. At this point, your flaxseed egg should be ready. Add that to the banana along with Califia Farms oat milk and the Califia Farms vanilla oat milk creamer. And apple cider vinegar. Stir well and then pour that into the dry ingredients and mix. I used the Califia Farms oat milk creamer, the vanilla one, for these pancakes because I didn't want to have to add extra vanilla because I'm running low and, you know, it's hard to get things these days. So the vanilla creamer came in handy, and it also added some sweetness to the pancakes and just made them more rich and like luscious. Melt some vegan butter in a skillet on medium heat and add the batter. Put the pancakes once they begin to bubble in the center. Keep the pancakes warm in the oven at 200 degrees until you're ready to eat them. And of course, breakfast is not complete without some sort of coffee-like drink. So the rooibos tea with vanilla creamer is perfect. It's like a rooibos chai latte, but a lot easier to make. To make my rooibos, I let it steep for a long time to get it really strong, at least 10 minutes. Then, I simply add the Califia Farms vanilla oat milk creamer. No need to add sugar because this oat milk creamer already has sugar in it, 1 gram per serving. So that is my breakfast for dinner. Of course, you can make these recipes any time of day for breakfast, lunch, late night snack, it doesn't matter. They're so yummy, I hope you will give them a try. Recipes will be posted down below. Leave this video a thumbs up if you want to see more vegan breakfast recipes. And if you want some more right this second, make sure you check out my vegan breakfast playlist. I'm also going to link that down below. Now I gotta go feed my baby. I hear her in the background. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on notifications so that you don't miss a future video. I promise lots of good stuff is to come. And thank you to Califia for sponsoring this video. I love all of their products, so make sure you guys check out their entire product line that is full of yummy, delicious, plant-based alternatives like non-dairy milks, creamers, and all that good stuff. Okay, I gotta go feed the baby. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!